Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2018 Buick Enclave Premium Group all-wheel drive, stock number X989XX. 18,000 miles on this Enclave. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, dark slate metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 4-year 50,000 mile powertrain warranty. This Enclave seats 7, leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row. Those seats are also heated, fixed skylight overhead with sunshade, heated seat control, and rear heat and air conditioning to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will full flap for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, forward collision alert, along with backup camera and parking sensors, all have been given a 5-star overall government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience. Ample cargo space behind the third row. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat with the push of a button. You can also reverse, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This premium group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, height adjustable power liftgate control, power seats, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof overhead, large easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, that's also where you set the forward collision alert, leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for those cold winter days, all-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather, very large touchscreen infotainment system for radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. Navigation. Dual zone front climate. As well as separate rear climate control. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for climate, as well as heated and cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Automatic transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Enclave has a 3.6 liter V6, 310 horsepower. And of course, very clean under the hood. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon and a city average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Enclave, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.